have finished now your examination. So we will continue our lesson, that is lesson 8. Till lesson we have 7th we have finished. So now we are going to see about 8th lesson, that is about medieval architecture. What do you mean by architecture? The old buildings, understand, in ancient, during Mughal time, during Rajput era, the buildings which are being made, the temples which are being made, still they are being repaired, and it is one of the most architectural work which was being established during ancient time. But now still we go to visit many things. So one by one, so many architectural works are there in India. There is no less temple in one district, in one city. So many types of temple you see, and different styles are being in different styles. Some are in Muslim, Hindu, Muslim architectural. Some are Hindu. Understand? So Rajput era, they were very interested in architectural work. Even the Mughal ruler who were very architectural work who have been done. Still in India we can see this all architectural work. See, first there are so many architectural work, but today we are in complete explanation. We will say only 3, but I will show the names of the architecture. People go there to visit so many temples, and it has become a picnic spot for the people. So now we can see different types of architectural work. You see, royal families means high caste families. What they did? They gained lot of pleasure in literature, painting, music, dance. You know, the king who became the king, they did not only the administrative work, but they were also interested in architectural work. Some kings were interested in music, some were interested in architectural work, some were arts, understand, some in dance. So different types of people were interested in this, and it is the king who favored them, people who were skilled. See here in Akbar, we can see Tansen, who was a great musician. Understand, we can see different types of people who were in literature, painting, music, dance, and this all we can come to know by archaeologists. And you see now the old buildings which are there, we can see so many buildings. We go for darshan also. It becomes a picnic spot for us, and government has been tried to preserve them. So this heritage has been preserved. It is not been spoiled. So people can go and visit this. First, architectural work, you see, Somnath temple, which is in Prabhas pattern. These all are the temples of our Gujarat. Then Dwarkadish temple, understand, it is in Saurashtra, Jamnagar. Then Sun temple of Modhera, which is very important, understand, it is in Patan district. Rudramalaya temple, Sidhpur, Palitana, it is in Saurashtra, where there are hill stations. Jain temples are there. Now Siddhi Sayadni Jali, Ahmedabad you visit, Siddhi Sayadni Jali is there. Main work is that what with small types of, understand, so good iron is used. See, still there is rainfall, still there is atmosphere, it don't get rusted. So Siddhi Sayadni Jali, we can say some architectural works are there. Then Kakaria Lake, where it is been very famous. Now Kakaria Lake, so much it is developed by the government. Now we can see architectural work of Delhi Sultanate. So in Delhi also some works are been there. Here in Gujarat only it is, but architecture of Delhi Sultanate in Ahmedabad, Qutub Minar. So it is very, it is also very one of the most important, understand, architectural work. Din Dayal Ka Chopla means what happened? It is one mosque. Understand, it is a mosque by Mughal Empire. Brudeshwar temple, Mughal period. Then Fatehpur Sikri. Understand, there also some architectural work are there. Buland Darwaja is also. Darwaja means how the entrance is, and so many carving works are there. You see, when you visit Ambaji temple, before there were not much architectural work on that. You see now, so beautifully they have been designed on the pillar. They have carved on the pillar. So temple is so beautifully decorated with the pillars. Now you see Fateh Buland Darwaja. Means the darwaja is been decorated. Red Fort, from where our Prime Minister and President we hoist our flag. It is not constructed after independence. It was constructed before. Understand, during Mughal time. So Taj Mahal, so which is very important. Understand, people visit this because all the constructions are being done in marbles. Understand, even government has been preserved it. Understand, many improvements are being made in that. Now we can see these are all architectural. See, so many 16 architectural works are there in this lesson. It has been shown. First we will see Somnath temple. Somnath means what? It is the ling worship, Shivaism. Shivaism in 1915 when it was completed, Lord Shiva temple is there. Where it is situated? It is in Veraval in Somnath. Understand? So this is very beautiful temple, Somnath temple. So it is said that there is one of the biggest ling it has been there, and now some gold platings are being made. So many improvements are being made by the government. It has become a picnic spot for the people. So Somnath temple, Shaivism means what? Shiva, Lord Shiva. If there is the temple of Lord Shiva. Now we can see about Dwarka. Dwarka means what? Krishna, Lord Krishna. It is said that first there was no Dwarka by name. It is the Lord Krishna who settled in Dwarka after his education in ashram. He became the king of Dwarka, and Dwarka kingdom was set up by him. Understand? And this Dwarka, this temple, he ruled there after he ruled there for many years. It is said that Dwarka was set up by Lord Krishna, who came here as the avatar. Understand? On this earth. So Dwarka, it is in Jamnagar. Understand? See here, it is in Jamnagar. So many prayer halls are been there in Dwarka. See, so many mandals are there. So many mandapas are there. Sankaracharya, Adi Sankaracharya, Sardhapit. Understand? Their maths are being developed there. Sankaracharya who used to preach. Understand? So here Dwarka, this means worshipper of Krishna, Lord Krishna. Understand? So on his birthday, Janmashtami din, it is been decorated with beautiful. It is decorated, and it is on the river Gomti. Understand? So it is said that Lord Krishna, he himself constructed this Dwarka. Understand? So now about Dwarka, this. Then we can see Sun Temple of Modhera. You see, many times you have visited Sun Temple of Modhera. So many architectural works are there. On the pillars about Ramayana and Mahabharata, so many carvings are being done. And so first sun rays falls on the idol. Understand? So we can see that it is so people visit Modhera because of beautifully architectural work, and also the rivers are there. You can see that. So it becomes one of the most beautiful, and it was constructed by Bhimdev first, who was the ruler. Understand? So we can see about Sun Temple of Modhera. Rudramalaya temple we can see about in Sipur, where there is under the pipal tree. Understand? It's Rudramalaya Shiv, and all type of mixture of the temple is there. Actually it is Rudra is the other name of Lord Shiva. So here we can see about Rudramalaya temple. Then we can see about Palitana. Palitana, what happened? It is a settlement of Jain. So Jainism, we can see more of the people in Palitana is Jainism. So many temples, Franjus mountain, so many Jain temples are there. Understand? People in Palitana, people visit this place. It becomes a picnic spot there. So many derasars are there. So beautifully it has been constructed during the medieval age. So this is about the Palitana. We can see Siddhi Sahar mein Jali is during Mughal time. So some architectural works are there. Jali is there, and understand it is not been so many years it passed, but there is no rusting on that Jali. We can say Kakadiya Lake, you know about that. See now so many types of arrangements are there. Different types. Boatings are there. Now understand there are different types of there. Food stalls are there where people can enjoy. People where they like to go most, if there are gardens, plus there is worship places. Understand, if only worship places is there, just you worship and you God and Goddess, you come back. So people spend whole day here. Understand. So where there are food stall, where there is food availability, where the picnics are being held, where children can enjoy, where parents take their children to the picnic spot where they can enjoy. So beside this architecture, it has also, the government has been improved. So gardens are being made where people can spend their whole day there, and people can go there and enjoy there. Same till Kakadiya Lake we have seen today. In the second chapter we will see about the other things, and this will be also explained even in your offline classes when you come to the classes. So in video also you will see what I am explaining, and you can also see hear the lesson when I am explaining in the class about the medieval architecture. And now also we can see Ranki Vav, we can see Patan where you go for picnic. See, all facilities are being given where people go and sit in the garden and they enjoy all things there. Understand? So many things are being developed even by the government. We are not ruined our own architecture. We have been improved our resource. So thank you.